Hello guys, in this video we're just going to be talking about text editors. These are softwares that allow you to edit text. In Windows we have Notepad as an example of the text editor. Now when it comes to web development, we need a text editor that just edits text. You have to avoid rich text editors. These are text editors that allow you to format your text in a certain way. In essence, they make them bold, italic, and whatever. They add some form of specialty to the text, and we don't want that. We want a text editor that executes or edits just text, plain text, which of course Notepad is a good example on Windows. Now Notepad can be quite interesting to work with, but doesn't add some level of formatting to your text. In essence, it doesn't help you do some level of formatting. There are several text editors out there that can be very helpful to a developer, one of which is Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a lightweight text editor. It's super fast when it comes to loading, and it's also very powerful. I enjoyed using Sublime Text. Sublime Text is fun, the rest. And the next one is Brackets. This was actually the first text editor that I used that allowed emeds and all the rest. Very interesting, very beautiful. They do have a lot of themes and all the rest. But as of now, and public opinion, the best text editor as of now is VS Code, which is what I use as of now, and this is what I'll be using from here on out. So you can just visit code.visualstudios.com and click on this download button to download the software, or if you are using a different platform, you can just pick the platform you're on, either Linux or Mac. Okay, and so download and install the software, and I'll see you in the very next video.